Hey guys, hope you're well. It's New Year's Eve here and I'm here to help you set your New Year's resolutions. Right, I'll be quick for the people that don't want to watch a long format video. Let's jump straight in. So SMART resolutions start with S. S being specific. Make sure you write down the exact result you want from completing this goal. M is for measurable. Make sure you split your goal up. Even if you split it up into 12 individual segments, you can follow it month by month and just be able to track exactly where you are. A is for attainable. Make sure you're actually able to get this goal. Now, don't be putting something like, I'm going to earn £1 million next year. If you earn £20,000 this year, it's not going to work. If you put in a goal, maybe you want to earn an extra 50,000 this year and you're going to break it down into these steps and this is how you're going to achieve it. Brilliant, but don't just put a random large number and think you're going to achieve it for no reason. Now R is for relevant. Make sure your goal is relevant to your life now and is going to help you at this present moment. There's no point picking up a goal that's going to actually add more pressure onto your life. You want to relax, you want to enjoy life, but you also want to learn new skills along the way. So just make sure your goal is something that's not going to push you too hard. Make sure obviously it's going to push you a little bit, but not too much that it's going to stress out your life. T is for time sensitive, so put times on your goals. Make sure that you have split these up into segments, as I said. So if you've got one big goal, split it up into 12-month periods, and then you've got a time frame, you know where you should be at each of those segments. And then this way, it's just so much easier to keep on track of your goal and ensure you're doing the best every day to help you get there. So if this all seems a bit much and you really just want a quick way to set a goal for this New Year's resolution, just pick something you did last year really bad and do it better this year. Or something maybe you didn't do last year that you said you were going to do and do it this year. But whatever you do, just make sure it's something progressive and something that's going to help you now, not make your life more difficult. So if you just wanted the quick version, you can run off to your party now. I won't judge, but if you want to know a bit more about goals, stick around because I want to just talk about how people overestimate what they can achieve in 1 year and underestimate massively what they can achieve in 5. The difference is crazy and a lot of people just don't believe in themselves enough to hit those massive goals. But they want to hit these big goals in short time frames, and the key to these decisions is patience. How long should you set your goals for? Because we all want to have our goals and all the things we want immediately, obviously. But we can't have them that quickly. We need to set a time frame of how long we are willing, personally, to wait until we have to have that object. And if you can get it quicker, why are you not doing everything in your power now to get it? If it's going to make your life better, why not try your best now to get it? Because at the end of the day, if you get that thing in 10 years, you've lost 10 years of your life without that skill, without that goal, without that accolade. So sit back and think, how much better would your life be over the next 10 years if you complete this goal, right? That's how important it should be. It should be something that you know is going to completely change the way you live life. Hopefully, it helps you jump out of bed in the morning, enjoy what you do. That's the main thing in life, isn't it? You have to enjoy yourself. You have to release the dopamine naturally. Don't want all this binging on Netflix. As much as I enjoy it myself, you can't do it every day. You need to step back. You need to put your life into motion. Once you've wrote down all these goals, you can see and align the importance of these goals, and then you know what you need to do. It's very simple. So I hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Go out tonight, have a good one, but don't forget the journey starts tomorrow. Please do as well, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.
You're still only human.